I do not own this music by Queen. One Vision, I think it is, right? Yeah, One Vision. Alright, but they're awesome. My favorite band of all time. Coming in close second would be Rush. Tool was a really huge favorite of mine. I haven't listened to them in several years. Spiritual awakening kind of thing. But Rush and Queen, man, since I was a kid, awesome. Alright, so here we go. Peaches and cream. You see it? Not for tonight, but for tomorrow. So I finally got this back in stock. Excuse me. So this coconut cream is really awesome because it's mostly all cream. And it has a slight vanilla taste to it. It's just this. So bizarre because... Oh, wait. Alright, hold on. So all of the brands I've used are exactly the same. Sometimes there's no guar gum in it, but for whatever reason, this has like this vanilla taste to it. It's really, really awesome. Sometimes they're really horrible, even when they look like they're creamy, and they're like oily, and they taste like coconut oil instead of cream. That really bothers me, but that's a great one right there. So I'm not a big peach fan, but every once in a while I do like to use peaches, and it's usually in the summertime. This was a non-GMO, non-PPA kind of thing, 100% juice. Recyclables, number one recyclable, glass recyclable. So that's in there, And then this is raw hemp, and this is ground sunflower seeds. Grind them in there. I'm going to add this tomorrow. I didn't get to do this today. They got to be pounded in a plastic bag because they're really big, with a rubber mallet, and then put into there, turn into powder, and that will go into here. If you're interested in this, look it up online. It's red algae is the main form of calcium, and then there's all vegetables and fruits and stuff like that. This is sunflower seeds, and this is high in vitamin E, and then you got some other minerals and stuff, and some protein and everything like that. This is lots of minerals, mostly protein, some copper, manganese, and stuff like that in there as well. But it is a awesome smoothie. I'll put it in the fridge for now. Tomorrow, after I add the vitamins, I'll put it in the freezer for a little bit so it gets a little bit frozen, and then I'll blend it up, and it'll be nice and frozen-y peach, creamy peach, right? Peaches and cream. You can do whatever else you want. When I make something light flavor like this, I tend to stay away from chia, flax, or poppy because it will bring too much of a taste in. Unless you go light, like a half to a tablespoon of each of them, then you won't have that much of a difference, but you might taste it. But sometimes I do without. When I do a darker smoothie, dark berry, chocolate, something like that, then I can put a decent amount of chia and poppy in there. I don't even really use flax anymore, but chia and poppy, which is very high in calcium and high in fiber, some minerals in it too, and then some added protein. All right, so that's it. Peaches and cream. Lots of love to you all. Bye-bye.